He better do something.
Yeah.
Whoa.
That's Lincoln County style.
Whoa.
Yes, sir. He built that.
Oh.
Yes, sir. If you can't hear that, you can't hear it.
That sounds like a Jeepers Creepers truck.
Yeah, that's what I thought about when I seen it. A little bit like the Jeepers Creepers truck. Yes, sir, but they got the back on it where you put the bodies.
Oh, that thing right there shoot t-shirts.
Oh, that's how you do it?
Yeah, he said they use them at pep rallies. They use it at pep rallies.
They got creative with it.
I see. And cornstarch. He said cornstarch. You do that smoke.
We'll do it on electric.
Oh, I'm sorry. Come on.
Go ahead. I'm just.
This truck sounded real scary. He said he uses it at pep rallies. That thing right there shoots t-shirts and cornstarch. And as you can see.
Now you can go up on it too. Like I said, teenagers built it. You can't tear it up.
Oh man, I don't think I can get up on it.
Oh, it's steps over there, honey.
Oh, it's
We
steps.
take people on hay rides on this thing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I'm like, if you.
We take the community.
Oh, I thought you wanted me to get a running start and galley up there. I'm like, I can't. I can't do that. So I'm gonna step on board. Get us a good look here. He said I can get up here. I thought he was telling me I could run and galley up and get a good head start. He said they take people on hay rides on it. Yeah. I thought he wanted me to run and galley up. I'm like, I'm not going to be able to get up there.
That plastic tote in the dog cart with a yellow lid on it.
Yeah, this is nice. It's sturdy. It's sturdy. The jumper cable's a little scary. No one touched them. Come on, Hottie Scotty. Where my man at? He gonna help me down? My goodness. Okay. Okay, yeah. These old knees get a little rickety. Thank you so much.